I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT.
Y'all, look at the bunny outside again. When we first got here, it was a bunny outside of our room. So cute. I cannot. Hey y'all, so it's in the day and we're getting ready to go get some brunch. Fit check. Vince love his Crocs. I shouldn't have told him to get those. Yeah, so cause that's all he want to wear. Me, however, fresh. Got the Lauren Londons on. Lauren London Pumas on in Cali. Supporting my girl. But we finna go to brunch. So y'all, we just got to the boat ride. We trying to see where we supposed to go. So we just walking. And I don't want to get copyrighted, so I'm gonna click off. So we're on the boat. And my hair is blowing all over. As y'all can see. Thanks, babe. As y'all can see. It's cold, and they gave us these blankets.
Also, some of these sea lions are different. Some are very dark and shiny, others are light and puffy. Well, the darker and shinier they look, their fur is wet. They just popped up out of the water. Light and puffy, us back into a vehicle, so getting ready for our first stop right about now. And away we go. If you thought Captain Kyle did a great job out in the water, let's give a quick round of applause. Keeping us nice and safe.
So, I don't want that. What's that?
I always want to try shark.
Yeah, you try. I ain't trying.
Try to make sure it does.
And the comedian Jerry Lewis, they are frequented the Marlin Club. All three of those men were big game fishermen. So again, that's directly across from us there on the left. It's hanging right underneath the word "the" in the Marlin Club.
Oh, right there. Look at that fish hanging up underneath the sign. Underneath the white sign. Yes, it was. Yo, it's a big old fish hanging underneath that sign. Underneath the sign. Okay, y'all, we're doing like a tour with the person.
Ruth Chris Steakhouse. And over here we got Plain Jumper Steakhouse and seafood.
Okay. So y'all, we're doing a tour of the city. I think it's like Little Italy. Doing a tour of it. Fish market. This is the place. The lady.
Oh, wait. Drop off right here.
Where He cannot drop us off right here. Our car. It's me. I'm not finna walk. Y'all heard it. They ain't missing it. He drop us out with his feet up it.
I hope you find a parking spot. Yeah.
Right here. Still doing the tour around the city.
Pretty good.
Outside of your city. Looking good. Outside your city.
Okay.
No problem.
I would just bring the glasses back in here one time.
You can, or if you're in a rush, I.
So I guys got the pomegranate. I got the pomegranate And what did you get? Brute.
Brute.
Oh, okay. I don't know if they is. I got pomegranate, prosecco pomegranate. Yeah, well, that's vibing out, guys. Nothing much. Because they can't get out. I wonder if people are asleep on them boats like on movies, you know?
Somebody probably is.
So, y'all, we are at a different winery. We went to another winery, which I included. Now we're at this winery. It's called... Well, keep your grandkids.
Yeah, we can do something.
If you're watching this, mother-in-law, keep your grandkids.
Yeah, every day we
get back from our vacation.
Every day I got work. We can go to the gym. Shit.
Don't play with me because I'm going to be up in that gym, all right? Nah, y'all, but we are at a different winery. Like I said, this wine is good, but it's not Prosecco, and I can just taste the difference. It kind of gives me like that tart, kind of. I don't know, but he said it was the closest thing to it. So, now here by the boats, it's a vibe.
It's a vibe. It's a vibe.
So, y'all, we are pulling up to the fish market, and we're going to get us something to eat. It's like around lunchtime right now. We did the tour with the people, and now we're on our way to the fish market. And getting ready to try out some new fish out here, see what it tastes like, see what it's giving, okay? And y'all know we're gonna let y'all know. But yeah, so hungry right now. I'm really just ready to eat. Hopefully it's not a long wait because there's so many people out here today on a Sunday. So yeah, get back to y'all when we get a parking spot and get up in there, okay?
They visit us too.
I had some crab dip, spinach, artichoke dip, almost gone. So y'all, we just came from the fish market, and do not try to get over it. Like, okay, we came from the fish market. We're on our way going back to our hotel room, and then we're finna go to the gas station first. Fill up.
We bought a damn airport, right? Everywhere by the airport.
Right, everywhere. It's kind of like in the middle, like what that lady said. But yeah, y'all, that's what we're doing. The fish market was alright. You know, it's supposed to be like an upscale restaurant with the beach vibes on the back with the ships and stuff. It was alright or whatever. That spinach dip was good. I can't even hold you on that spinach dip. The spinach dip. It was crab, spinach, artichoke dip. So good. Then I had like this pasta, and it had clams, crab, shrimp. What else? It had shrimp, swordfish, clam,
octopus, salmon,
octopus. It had a whole bunch of everything that I wasn't finna be eating, you know. So yeah, it's pretty good though. But we're finna head on to the gas station and then back to our hotel. Like I said. Oh, they're the airport, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah, because this is the way we was coming. We're probably going to do some more stuff tonight, but yeah, it's about 4 o'clock. We're probably going to do something. And then we'll be headed back out tomorrow, y'all. Just got back to the hotel. He keep on hitting the alarms. We just got back, and then we finna probably just pack our stuff, get our stuff organized, and chill out for a nap or something.
Ah, there go the key word. That's what she gonna do. With me?
Yeah, him. Morning. So we're finna get ready to head to the airport and saying bye to San Diego. It was a good time. I don't want to leave, but gotta get back to my life, my kids. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I'm get ready to go, guys. Get ready to get back on our plane. See y'all when we get to Dallas.
probably gonna sin again. Lord, forgive me. Lord, forgive me. Things I don't understand. Sometimes I need to be alone. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. I can feel your energy from. I can feel your energy from. I can feel your energy from 2 planets away. I got my 2 planets away. I got my 2 planets away. I got my music. I will share it, but
Yeah, y'all. So we're over here having brunch with Mom.
Look at them eyelashes.
Yeah, we're having brunch.
Just like Allie.
And we got our Prosecco. I said, I guess your friend knew what restaurant.